and welcome back for the fourth and last video in the series. In this video, we'll show you how to add your online banking info if you want, where the program will let you check for errors, and how to save and submit your tax files. On the left nav bar, under the Refund Balance Owing section, you can set up direct deposit. This way, they won't have to mail you any refund you might get, it'll be much faster, and you won't have to worry if you move. Change the first field to Start or Change Direct Deposit, then add the branch number, financial number, and your account number in the right spaces. Along the top, click on the third tab, Review. Here, if you've entered everything correctly, it'll show a screen like this. If you missed anything or made a mistake, there'll be errors listed on this page. If you click on the errors, they'll give you details and take you to the place in the software where you need to make an edit. When everything in the review is okay, click on the fourth tab across the top. It's quite important that you download the PDF and keep this file for your records. If you don't qualify for NetFile, then you can print off the forms to the right of the download button to send them in by post. Finally, it's time to submit. Double check that you've added in every form that you have, as you'll not be able to submit twice, and making additions after the fact is troublesome. When you're ready, click on the blue Ready for Filing button. If there are still errors, you won't be able to submit. If you're filing with your partner, there will be two blue buttons. Don't forget to click on them both separately. This will produce a confirmation number. It is highly recommended that you save that confirmation as well, just in case there are any issues. So now you should have two files saved, your PDF of your tax files and your confirmation number. We would strongly suggest saving a text file with your UFile username and password also. If you put all of these into a file labeled 2019 taxes, you'll be able to find it next year when you need these same files again. If you're unsure about anything within this process or with any other concerns, you can always reach out to International Student Services. Our website is uab.ca/ISS, and a contact email is advising@ualberta.ca.